The Indian education system, as we know it, often feels like a relentless race. Students are caught in a whirlwind of expectations where high marks are the ultimate goal. But what does that really mean for us? The pressure to excel can be overwhelming, leading to anxiety and burnout. We've all felt it, the sleepless nights, the endless revisions, and the constant fear of disappointing our parents or teachers. One of the biggest flaws in our system is the emphasis on rote learning. We memorize facts and figures, often without understanding their significance. It's like cramming for an exam, only to forget everything the moment the paper is submitted. This approach stifles creativity and critical thinking. We are not encouraged to ask questions or explore ideas. Instead, we are taught to regurgitate information. Imagine if we shifted our focus from grades to genuine learning. What if, instead of just aiming for a 90% score, we aim to understand the subject deeply? Active learning could transform our educational experience. Engaging with the material, participating in discussions, and applying concepts in real-life scenarios would not only make learning enjoyable but also more effective. The obsession with grades creates a toxic environment. Students often compare themselves to one another, leading to feelings of inadequacy. It's disheartening to see peers who may not grasp a concept as quickly, yet still feel the pressure to perform. Education should be about personal growth, not competition. Moreover, the one-size-fits-all approach fails to recognize that each student is unique. We all have different learning styles and paces. Some thrive in a structured environment, while others need flexibility to explore their interests. It's crucial for educators to adopt a more personalized approach, allowing students to take control of their learning journey. So, what can we do? First, let's advocate for a curriculum that promotes critical thinking and creativity. Schools should encourage project-based learning, where students can collaborate and innovate. This not only makes learning relevant but also prepares us for real-world challenges. Second, we need to foster a culture that values effort over perfection. Celebrating small victories and progress can motivate students to keep pushing forward, regardless of their grades. Lastly, let's embrace technology as a tool for learning. Online resources, interactive platforms, and educational apps can provide diverse ways to engage with subjects, catering to different learning styles. In conclusion, the Indian education system has its flaws, but we have the power to change it. By prioritizing active learning, personal growth, and a supportive environment, we can create a system that truly nurtures our potential. It's time to redefine success, not just as a number on a report card, but as a lifelong love for learning.